A powerful winter storm is hitting the Northeast. Some areas could see up to 50-mile-an-hour winds and 4 inches of snow per hour. That could add up to more than 2 feet by the time the snow is over.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy back on your screen, and as you can see behind me, all that snow. Yeah, it was a big ass snowstorm. I just got done shoveling.
Stop the cap.
And I'm just walking here, you know, with all the snow and shit. Look at all that snow. You know what I'm gonna do?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Alright guys, so I'm at the this little park right here, and there's like a shit ton of snow. Look, like a shit ton of snow. It's like you can't even see my feet, and holy shit, it's a lot of snow. I feel like I'm walking on like a sorry if you can't hear me from the wind. And now I'm in the water. Nah, I'm just joking. Okay. Guys, let me tell you something. If you live in like a foreign country or like somewhere out of the United States or just like, you know, the West Coast or whatever, you guys need to come to New York. New York is the best place to stay at when it snows, especially now since it was a snowstorm. Like just look. That's the river, but look. You can make mad shit. You can make everything with the snow. And also, it's the best place to stay at when it snows. You could chill, drink hot chocolate, hot cocoa, watch some Polar Express, one of the best movies, watch Home Alone, chill with your girl, chill with your boys, chill with your girls, all that. You guys need to come to New York. New York is the best when it snows, when it's hot, everything, every weather. Every weather. As you can see, people are taking down the snow from the cars. People are, you know, just having fun and shit, building snowmans, taking pictures. It's just New York. People just like chill when it storms. I said storms. Alright guys, I just sat down because standing up is very uncomfortable with all that snow on my feet. As I was saying, was the thing I really like about New York is that it's very diverse. You can see a lot of Indian, Muslim, Dominican, Puerto Rican, Black, Hispanic, all that. And you could just enjoy with them, make friends with them, eat their foods, share their foods, dance with them. That's what I really like about New York. It's very friendly, basically. As you can see in the news, people think that New York is just like, oh, it's dangerous and all that, but it's really not. It's just the news. The news is just like there to scare you and all that. You just try to have fun with it. Just try to have fun with the people around you, your neighbors and all that. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's gonna be a wrap, and I showed you guys what it looks like in New York and the aftermath of the winter storm in New York. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on post notifications if you guys want to stay notified till my next video, and comment down below what you really liked about this video. And other than that, guys, stay safe, be happy, and see y'all next video. Peace.